the middle of April, and this is Meadows Bee Farm. We are having a northeaster. We've so far had about 8 inches of snow. We're expecting it to snow for the next 20 hours. We've finished our sugar season. We're almost done with our lambing, and we would have been putting our crops out. So one of the things that you have to deal with all the time if you're a farmer is the weather. Inclement weather. It's really very difficult to grow crops unless you have a special greenhouse in weather that is always changing. Now, we don't expect to have more snow, and we really wouldn't plant most of our crops until July. But how do we consider getting our food? Where does our food come from? How do we make it healthy? I will say that we do have lots of frozen food, we have canned food, we have dried food, but we're very lucky that we have eggs from our chickens, we have milk from our cows, and we have meat from our sheep, our lamb, our turkey. It's really something that we always have to consider, where our food comes from. Here we have our cow. This here is Rosie. Hi, Rosie. Rosie's happy because she can be inside, out of the snow. Behind Rosie, we have some chickens. The chickens are also happy. They can be out of the snow. Rosie's licking me. Hi, Rosie, baby. So they're happy. We can take them out onto the grasslands once the snow melts and the grass starts to grow for a little bit. But if we had crops, they would all be frozen or under 18 inches, I think is what we're expecting to get. I believe in growing my own food, but what that food is always a question. Here at Meadows Bee Farm, we do a mixture of meat and vegetables, fruit, and wild crops. What we're going to grow and what we're going to eat in the future is really going to depend on how we think about all of this. Stay tuned as we explore this. Thank you.